This is Cairns' best light industrial Queenslander, available on the market for sale today. Welcome to another episode of Shed Talk TV, and this week we're focusing on 17 Barry Street. No ordinary industrial Queenslander by any stretch of the imagination. So who's this for?
Well, I mean, look, the first thing is it's easily the best Queenslander we've ever listed. It's zoned light industrial.
It was owned by a cabinet maker, and most of the cabinetry in there that's built in has remained. So you won't have to spend a cent on kitchens. There's kitchens upstairs, downstairs, toilets, showers upstairs, downstairs. So the possibilities are endless with this. You could come in and live upstairs in the 3-bedroom Queenslander, which is very, very comfortable in its present configuration, and just work downstairs, which is probably the most ideal thing. However, this Queensland has got 2 separate power supplies coming into the property, both with their own 5 kilowatt solar system. So that's a big deal. So you could quite easily rent out downstairs to somebody that's got his own business, or you could rent out upstairs and work downstairs, or occupy both. Yeah. So lots of possibilities there.
Yeah, it's important to note that the entrances for the residential and the potential downstairs commercial tenancy are really well separated. So you've got a sliding gate on one side for the commercial tenancy. It opens up nicely to the downstairs area and the office. And on the other side of the block, on the left-hand side, you've got a small gate which can be used for the residential access, which is how it's been used presently. So there are currently 2 tenants there now. Yeah,
that's right. So look, you could also just say, well, I'm going to live here, and it's an enormous space downstairs for the toys and as a workshop. You know, if you've got a little cars, bikes, jet skis, all that sort of thing, well, it's pretty much a massive oversized garage. So when we start looking at the numbers, we've got 504 square metres of land area.
190 square metres downstairs in open plan workspace.
But that's in addition to 49 square metres of ground floor caretakers studio accommodations.
Yeah, sorry, in addition to that, downstairs there's a 15 square metre office at the front.
Yep.
And that abuts the studio apartment down there. The owner's just redone the floor. She spent an enormous amount of money on the solar. Everything else has been kept to a really high standard. There's no pending maintenance work to be done.
That's right.
She's got the garden, it's ready to go. And
fibre to the premises, so you're at the fastest NBN there, which is really good. And you're really not going to have a power bill unless you're doing something ridiculous. With that 10 kilowatts of solar power coming in, you're probably going to get a check back from Ergon, which would be very nice.
So if anybody's actually been looking for an industrial zone Queenslander, or somewhere where they can do a bit of work from home and have it zoned appropriately and legally, they would absolutely have to have a look at this property.
Absolutely, and it's priced to sell. The owner has got other commitments and moving on, so it's ready for the next owner-occupier. We think this property really is an owner-occupier's buy for sure.
All
right, so give us a call here at Go Commercial to arrange an inspection. For more information, or to make an offer on 17 Barry Street, and find out why this opportunity makes great commercial sense.
Thank you, and signing off for another Shed TV episode.
See you next week.
Thank you. Cool.
Now we need to be shuffling our papers, you know.
Turn
the have the music come up and, you know, shuffling our papers.
Play with the iPad. Play with the iPad.